Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing the top tips for avoiding septic tank problems. Having a septic tank can sometimes be a hassle, but with the right knowledge and maintenance, you can prevent many common issues. So, let's dive into the tips. One of the most important tips is to schedule regular pumping for your septic tank. Over time, solid waste accumulates in the tank, which can lead to blockages and backups. By having the tank pumped every few years, you can prevent these problems from occurring. Another tip is to be mindful of what you flush down the toilet or drain. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items such as wipes, tampons, or diapers, as these can clog your septic system. Stick to flushing toilet paper and ensure that only water, soap, and other biodegradable substances go down the drains. Conserving water not only benefits the environment but also helps maintain a healthy septic system. Excessive water usage can overload the tank and disrupt the natural decomposition process. So, fix any leaks, use efficient appliances, and practice water-saving habits to prevent septic tank problems. The drain field is a crucial part of your septic system, and it needs to be protected. Avoid parking vehicles or heavy machinery on top of the drain field, as this can compact the soil and hinder proper wastewater absorption. Additionally, planting trees or shrubs near the drain field can lead to root intrusion, causing damage. So, be aware of the drain field's location and protect it accordingly. Using septic-friendly products can make a significant difference in the overall health of your septic system. Avoid harsh chemicals, antibacterial soaps, or excessive use of household cleaners, as these can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the tank. Opt for biodegradable and septic-safe alternatives to keep your septic system functioning properly. Lastly, don't forget to schedule regular inspections with a professional septic tank service. They can assess the condition of your tank, identify potential issues, and provide recommendations for maintenance. Early detection and timely repairs can save you from costly septic tank problems down the line. By following these top tips, you can avoid many common septic tank problems and ensure the longevity of your system. Remember, regular maintenance, mindful usage, and professional assistance are key to a trouble-free septic system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.